Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and today on my channel we are doing another artist trading card day. This happens to be the 12th and 13th day of ATCAD 2020. That's Artist Trading Card a Day 2020. And you can use that hashtag if you're going to be posting on social media so that we can find your art. But I've been working on these alcohol ink backgrounds. These are on UPO, which is a synthetic paper. And I just use alcohol ink and Stencil Girl stencils. These happen to be ATC stencil from Seth Apter. And I'm just outlining some of the background there. I'm going to use a little stamping around the edge just to make a border. And these are kind of textural stamps, just things that I have in my stash because I don't really want an image, I just want some texture there. And there's another one. I think these are probably from Andy Skinner. Um, I've had those for a number of years now and I use them a lot. So I'm looking at this and trying to decide, okay, now what am I going to layer on there? I like the black and white on top, but in the long run, that wasn't the direction I went. I thought the image was a little bit too big. So I had these circles of painted paper, and I'm just going to start assembling my collage here. I have some words and painted papers and let me see, what else did I put on here? Yeah, and what it's saying is all things good to know are difficult to learn. How true is that? A lot of times we resist the things that are really important, and I just thought that that was an appropriate quote for today. We seem to be resisting a lot of things in our society right now, so maybe we'll learn some lessons. I don't know. We'll soon see. History will tell, right? So this is telling a story. So I'm outlining the word story on the background. And then my quote, all things good to know are difficult to learn. So that is day 12 of Artist Trading Card a Day. And I will finish this up with a little bit of outlining, um, black and white pen, that sort of thing. But if you're not familiar with Art Joy Sharing, it is a Facebook group that I share with Chelsea, and we are doing artist trading cards every day for the whole month. And hopefully you will join us on that Facebook group and share some of your art with us. That's not the only challenge that we have for the month. We have Pick a Stick Challenge, and we have a mood board, and so I mean, there are different things at all different times, but come and join us. We'd love to have you. And if you're new to my channel and you like this content, be sure and like, share, subscribe, click that bell for notifications, all of the things that are important so that other people know that this is a content that you like and that YouTube finds this of value to viewers. So I'm using a Tim Holtz stamp. This is Little Birdies, and this is another alcohol ink background. This one happens to have a church window. It looks very stained glass like. So I'm just going to glue that down, and then I'm going to come in with some color. I have some Posca pens that I try first, and they're kind of covering up the image too much because they're very opaque. And in the end, I grabbed some, I have a new set from Amazon. It's like $9 set from Amazon of 24 colors of gouache. And I thought, well, let me grab that and give it a try. So you'll see me pull that out and use it for some colorization. And I'm also going to die cut some little hearts because the quote that I'm going to use is from those Chit Chat stickers or whatever they are from Tim Holtz ideology line. And it says, listen to your heart. It will show you the way. And we all need to listen to our heart. I think in the end, I'm going to put some dimensional adhesive over the top of the hearts just to give it a little bit of bling. But yeah, I don't do it in this video because, you know, I need to take my photos and get that part done. And that stuff takes a little while to dry. So I hope you're enjoying this series. Be sure and check out the other people that are using that hashtag. There are a number of videos out here. Shell has videos every 2 or 3 days for you. So that is another video that you can watch doing ATCs. And just going to finish these things up. If I have anything else to comment on, I'll put it in here. But thanks for stopping by today. Remember to be kind, love one another, and share your art. Bye for now.